Most people treat manifestation like a one-time event. They visualize once, affirm for a few days, then wait for something to happen. And when nothing does, they quit. But the people who manifest large sums repeatedly, they don't treat it like an event. They treat it like a habit. One simple daily habit that takes 5 minutes. And once they lock this habit in, large sums don't just show up once, they show up over and over. If you've been inconsistent with manifestation, if you've tried and quit a dozen times, if you're tired of the sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't cycle, this habit will change that. Because habits don't rely on motivation, they rely on repetition. And repetition is what creates repeated results. I know someone, let's call him David, who used to be all over the place with manifestation. One week he'd be doing affirmations, the next week he'd try visualization, then he'd read about scripting and switch to that. He was constantly chasing the next technique, the next method, hoping one of them would finally be the one that worked. And occasionally, something would happen. A small win here, a refund there. But it was random, inconsistent. He couldn't figure out why it worked sometimes and not others. Then someone told him something that shifted everything. They said, "Stop treating this like a technique. Turn it into a habit. 5 minutes, same time, every day. That's it." David was skeptical. He thought, 5 minutes? That's it? That can't be enough. But he tried it anyway. He committed to 5 minutes every single morning. Same ritual, same command, same process. And within 2 weeks, something clicked. Money started showing up. Not randomly, consistently. A client 1 week, a bonus the next, an unexpected payment after that. It wasn't luck. It was the habit. Once he made manifestation a non-negotiable daily practice, the results became non-negotiable too. Here's the reframe you need. Manifestation isn't about finding the perfect technique. It's about building the habit that forces your subconscious to stay locked into the identity of someone large sums come to. Most people fail because they do the work once, feel good, and then forget about it for 3 days. By the time they come back, they've reset. They're back to zero. But when you turn manifestation into a daily 5-minute habit, you never reset. You're stacking every day on top of the last. You're reinforcing the identity every 24 hours, and your subconscious starts treating it like truth instead of a wish. This habit I'm about to give you isn't complicated. It's not time-consuming. But it's powerful because it's consistent. And consistency is what separates people who manifest once from people who manifest large sums repeatedly. Let's talk about why habits work better than techniques. Your subconscious doesn't respond to what you do once. It responds to what you do repeatedly. Repetition creates neural pathways. It trains your brain to default to a certain identity, a certain belief, a certain frequency. When you do something once, visualize one time, say an affirmation one time, your brain treats it like a passing thought. Interesting, but not important. But when you do something every single day at the same time, your brain starts to prioritize it. It says, this person does this every day. This must be who they are. This must be important. And it starts reshaping your beliefs, your behavior, and your reality around that daily signal. This is why people who manifest large sums repeatedly aren't doing anything wildly different from you. They're just doing the same thing every day without fail. And that daily repetition compounds. I'm about to give you the exact 5-minute habit that does this. But first, you need to understand the lie that's keeping you stuck in inconsistency. Here's the big lie. I'll do it when I feel motivated. I'll visualize when I'm in the mood. I'll affirm when I have time. That's not how habits work. That's how hobbies work. And manifestation as a hobby gets you hobby-level results. Random, inconsistent, unreliable. Manifestation as a habit gets you professional-level results. Consistent, repeating, predictable. The people who manifest large sums repeatedly don't wait until they feel like it. They do it whether they feel like it or not. Because they know the habit is what creates the feeling, not the other way around. So if you've been waiting to feel ready or feel inspired, stop. You don't need to feel anything. You just need to do the 5 minutes, every day, and the results will follow. So here's the habit. I call it the 5-minute identity reset. And it has 3 parts. You do this every single day, ideally at the same time. Morning works best, but if nighttime is easier, do that. Consistency matters more than timing. Part 1. The posture, 30 seconds. Sit or stand. Feet flat on the ground, hand on your chest. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. You're grounding yourself. You're signaling to your body, this is important. Pay attention. Part 2. The command. 2 minutes. This is where the power is. You're going to say one command, out loud if possible. If not, in your head with full conviction. The command is, I command large sums. Say it slowly, 3 times. I command large sums. I command large sums. I command large sums. Not I hope, not I want, not I'm trying to attract. You command. You're not asking the universe for permission, you're declaring your authority. Large sums obey you. That's the energy. Part 3. The evidence visualization, 2.5 minutes. Now, with your eyes still closed, you visualize one scene. You see large sums showing up. Maybe it's your bank account with the number you want. Maybe it's a check in your hand. Maybe it's a client paying you. Whatever it is, see it clearly. Feel the relief, the certainty, the calm. You're not hoping it happens. You're remembering it because it already did. Then you open your eyes. That's it. 5 minutes. One habit. Every single day. Before I show you how to lock this habit in for life, I need you to do something right now. Pause this video. Go to the comments and type exactly this. I command large sums. Don't skip this. This is part of the habit. When you write it publicly, you're making your first declaration. You're telling your subconscious and this entire community, this is who I am now. I'm someone who commands large sums. And when you scroll through the comments and see hundreds of other people saying the same thing, your brain starts to believe it's real. You're not alone. You're part of a group of people who've decided to stop asking and start commanding. So go now. Type, I command large sums. Reply to someone else who typed it and say, we command, or it is done. Then come back. This is your first reset. Let's make it count. Let me show you the difference between 2 people starting from the exact same place. Person A decides they want to manifest large sums. They watch a video. They feel inspired. They visualize for 10 minutes that night. They feel amazing. The next morning, they wake up and life gets busy. They forget. 2 days later, they remember and try again. They visualize for 5 minutes, but they're distracted. A week goes by. They feel guilty. They try one more time, but now they're discouraged because nothing's happened yet. They quit, and they blame manifestation for not working. Person B also decides they want to manifest large sums. They watch the same video. They commit to the 5-minute habit. Morning 1, they do it. Morning 2, they do it. Morning 3, they don't feel like it, but they do it anyway. Morning 7, still no big results, but they keep going. Morning 14, a small win shows up. They acknowledge it and keep going. Morning 21, a larger sum arrives, and they're not surprised. Because the habit trained them to expect it. Same goal, same starting point. One person treated it like a technique. The other treated it like a habit. The technique person quit. The habit person won. That's the difference. Now let me break down exactly how to build this 5-minute habit so it sticks. Because knowing the habit and doing the habit are 2 different things. Here's how you make it automatic. Step 1. Anchor it to something you already do. Don't just say, I'll do it in the morning. That's too vague. Anchor it to an existing habit. Right after you brush your teeth. Right after your first cup of coffee. Right before you check your phone. Pick something you already do every single day without thinking, and attach the 5-minute reset to that. Now let me show you the 3 mistakes that will destroy this habit before it ever has a chance to work. Most people make at least one of these, and that's why they quit before they see results. Mistake number 1, doing the habit but not being present. You sit down, you say the command, but your mind is somewhere else. You're thinking about your to-do list. You're worried about bills. You're already planning the rest of your day. You're going through the motions, but you're not actually there. And your subconscious knows the difference. If you're not present during the 5 minutes, it doesn't count. You're not building the habit, you're just performing a ritual with no energy behind it. And energy is everything. So here's the fix. Before you start, take those 3 breaths seriously. Use them to clear your mind. If thoughts come in during the command or the visualization, acknowledge them and let them pass. Then come back. Be here. Be present. 5 minutes of full presence is worth more than an hour of distracted effort. Mistake number 2. Skipping days because nothing's happening yet. This is the killer. You do the habit for 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, and you don't see a large sum show up yet, so you think, this isn't working, why am I wasting my time? And you skip a day, then 2 days, then you quit entirely. But here's what you don't understand. The habit is working even when you don't see evidence yet. Every single day you do the reset, you're rewiring your subconscious, you're shifting your frequency, you're building the identity, and all of that is happening under the surface before it shows up in your 3D reality. Most people quit on day 8 when the breakthrough was coming on day 12. They stop watering the seed right before it was about to sprout. So here's the rule. You don't get to judge whether it's working based on external results in the first 2 weeks. You commit to 30 days no matter what. And if you skip even 1 day, you start the count over. Because the habit only works if you're consistent. And consistency means no exceptions. Mistake number 3, adding too much and overwhelming yourself. You start the 5-minute habit. It feels good. So you think, if 5 minutes works, what if I do 20 minutes? What if I add journaling and scripting and a vision board and suddenly, your simple 5-minute habit becomes an hour-long routine you can't sustain. And within a week, you quit everything. This is self-sabotage disguised as ambition. More is not better. Consistency is better. 5 minutes you actually do every day for 30 days will create more results than an hour-long routine you do twice and quit. So resist the urge to add. Resist the urge to complicate. Just do the 5 minutes. Same process, every day. That's it. If you want to add something, wait until day 31. After you've proven to yourself that you can do 5 minutes for a full month, then you can expand. But not before. Simplicity creates sustainability, and sustainability creates results. Let's knock out the questions I know you have. Question 1. Does it have to be in the morning, or can I do it at night? Morning is ideal because you're setting the frequency for the day, but if nighttime is the only time you'll actually do it consistently, then do it at night. Consistency beats timing. Just pick one and stick with it. Question 2. What if I miss a day? Do I really have to start over? Yes, because the point of the 30-day tracking isn't just to build the habit. It's to build the identity of someone who follows through no matter what. If you let yourself skip and continue the count, you're reinforcing, I'm someone who makes excuses. Start over. Prove to yourself you can do 30 straight. Question 3. Can I change the command to something that feels better to me? You can, but I don't recommend it for the first 30 days. Stick with, I command large sums. The power is in the repetition of the exact same words. After 30 days, if you want to adjust, fine, but don't change it in the middle. You'll dilute the effect. Question 4. What if I do the habit every day but I still don't see large sums after 30 days? Then one of 3 things is happening. 1. You're not being present during the 5 minutes. 2. You're dismissing small evidence as not counting. Or 3. Your actions outside the 5 minutes are contradicting the identity. If you're commanding large sums in the morning but spending the rest of the day in scarcity mode, you're canceling it out. The habit sets the frequency. Your behavior has to match it. Question 5. How long until I see results? Some people see shifts within a week. Others take 3 weeks. But everyone who sticks with it for 30 days sees something. Maybe it's not the full large sum yet, but it's movement. Evidence, momentum. And once that starts, it compounds. Here's your challenge, and this is where most people separate themselves from the ones who actually manifest large sums repeatedly. Starting tomorrow morning, not next week, not when you feel ready tomorrow, you do the 5-minute identity reset for 30 days straight. No excuses, no skips. No, I was busy, hand on chest, 3 breaths. Say, I command large sums 3 times with full conviction. Then visualize large sums showing up for 2.5 minutes. See it, feel it, know it's done. That's your 5 minutes. Get a piece of paper right now. Write the numbers 1 through 30 down the side. Every morning you complete the habit, check off that day, put it somewhere you'll see it. On your bathroom mirror, next to your bed, on your fridge. Make it visible. Make it real. And if you miss even one day, if you sleep through it, if you forget, if you make an excuse, you start the count over at day 1. This isn't about perfection. It's about proving to yourself that you're someone who finishes what you start, because large sums don't go to people who quit halfway. Now here's the accountability part. Come back to this video in 30 days. Find your original comment where you wrote, "I command large sums," and reply to yourself. Tell us what happened, what showed up, what changed. Maybe it's a payment you weren't expecting. Maybe it's an opportunity that came out of nowhere. Maybe it's a shift in how you feel about money. Whatever it is, share it. Because your story will inspire someone else to keep going when they want to quit. And here's the bonus. While you're waiting for your 30 days to complete, scroll through the comments every few days. Find other people who are on the journey with you. Reply to them. Say, "Day 15 still going," or "We command together," or "See you at day 30. When you celebrate someone else's consistency, you're reinforcing your own. When you encourage someone else not to quit, you're telling your subconscious, "I don't quit either." Let me tell you what's going to happen if you actually do this. The first week, it's going to feel new. Maybe exciting, maybe awkward. You're going to wonder if it's working. Week 2, it's going to feel easier. You'll start noticing small things, a discount, a refund, a message. And you're going to have a choice. Dismiss it as coincidence or acknowledge it as proof. Choose proof. Week 3. The habit will start to feel automatic. You'll sit down and your body will know what to do. You won't need to think about it. And by week 4, you'll realize something shifted. You're not the same person you were on day 1. You move differently. You think differently. You expect large sums now. You don't hope. You command. And that shift, that identity shift, is what creates the repeated results. Here's what I know for sure. Techniques get you excited. Habits get you results. You don't need another video. You don't need another method. You need 5 minutes of the same process every single day until your subconscious rewires itself. Until commanding large sums is just who you are. I command large sums. Not beg for, not hope for, not wait for. Command. You have the authority. You have the habit. You have the next 30 days. Now go prove it. Thank you for being part of this community. You're not here by accident. You're here because you're ready to stop dabbling and start building. The 5-minute habit is yours. The command is yours. The next 30 days are yours. Go lock it in. If you want more habits, more protocols, more systems that create repeated large sums, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell. I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you back here in 30 days when you update us on what commanded its way into your life. Your large sums are waiting for your command. Give it to them every single day. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.